When you try to hike or work outdoors in blistering 40-degree heat, your body faces an immediate mechanical problem. The environment starts baking you from the outside in. Your muscles fatigue, your balance wavers, and physical endurance drops off a cliff. To protect vital organs from overheating, your body aggressively forces fluid out as sweat. This drags vital sodium and electrolytes out with it, triggering cellular alerts. Simultaneously, your metabolism burns through internal energy reserves at an accelerated rate to power this cooling process. Because you are losing both fluid volume and electrical capacity, drinking plain water leaves the core deficit untreated. A complete physiological recovery requires a simultaneous three-pronged response: dropping core temperature, replacing missing minerals, and restoring crashed energy. That precise biological need is why the frozen honey lemonade electrolyte refresher exists. It acts as a calibrated remedy for extreme heat exposure. The first priority is halting the temperature climb through rapid physical cooling. By rapidly shattering large ice cubes into a fine slush, you maximize the surface area of the frozen mass. This turns the entire volume of the liquid into a high-capacity heat sink that begins absorbing internal body heat the moment it is swallowed. Consuming this frozen mass forces a rapid drop in your internal core temperature. It cools the body from the inside out, far faster than waiting for surface sweat to evaporate off the skin. Once the temperature stabilizes, you have to replace the exact elements destroyed by sweating. The formula requires exactly 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. This specific amount crosses the threshold needed to directly replace heavy sodium losses. Next, coconut water floods the dehydrated cell with natural electrolytes, bringing in potassium to match the salt's sodium. Together, they deliver a precise payload, up to 200 milligrams of sodium and 250 milligrams of potassium per serving. Without this specific mineral balance, the plain water you drink often struggles to reach the cells that need it most, frequently passing through the system before it can be effectively utilized for complete hydration. Finally, there is the energy injection. Here, raw honey becomes the critical active ingredient. Before blending the final drink, the raw honey must first be dissolved into warm water to create a syrup. If you skip this physical preparation step, the honey freezes solid and sinks uselessly to the bottom of the cold drink. Once properly dissolved, that syrup delivers a smooth, instant dose of 28 grams of natural carbohydrates directly to the bloodstream. Unlike refined sugars that trigger jittery spikes and subsequent crashes, raw honey carries trace minerals that the body metabolizes as a steady, even fuel. In a high-heat survival context, honey functions as an efficient biological fuel, providing the glucose and fructose necessary to begin reversing a systemic energy deficit. This baseline formula is actively utilized by people who endure extreme environments for a living. Beekeepers wearing heavy, full-body protective gear in the peak of summer rely on it to stay upright. It is also highly adaptable to local agriculture. You can fold in fresh wild blueberries or garden mint to adjust the summer flavor profile. The fuel source itself can be customized. Using an Ontario wildflower honey adds complex floral notes, while a darker buckwheat honey brings a deep, molasses-like richness. Conquering blistering 45-degree heat demands a calculated response. It requires an engineered balance of physical cooling, precise mineral replacement, and raw honey-driven energy to keep the human machine running.